Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies chewy. To achieve that perfect texture, start with the right ingredients. Using brown sugar instead of white sugar adds moisture and a delightful chew. Melted butter also contributes to a richer flavor and helps your cookies spread just right. Don't forget an extra egg yolk. It makes them incredibly tender and chewy. Baking technique is crucial for chewy cookies. Chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes helps prevent excessive spreading, keeping them thicker. Bake at a moderate temperature, typically between 325 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important to slightly underbake them. They will continue to cook on the hot baking sheet as they cool for about 5 minutes, ensuring a soft, chewy center. Adjusting ingredient ratios can significantly impact chewiness. A higher proportion of brown sugar to white sugar introduces more molasses, enhancing moisture and chew. Incorporating an extra egg yolk adds richness and tenderness. For an even chewier bite, try substituting some all-purpose flour with bread flour. Additionally, a small amount of cornstarch can contribute to a softer, more tender cookie. To maintain that delightful chewiness, proper storage is key. Always store your cookies in an airtight container at room temperature. A clever trick is to add a slice of plain white bread to the container. The cookies will absorb its moisture, staying soft. If they lose some freshness, a quick reheat in the microwave can revive them. For longer storage, baked cookies can be frozen for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.